today I have mushroom everyone. I have mushroom and also some ingredients. So now I take ambarilas more to cook with our mushroom. Yeah, like this. Our ambarilla tree is so good. It's very green and young. So first we heat ingredient to mix with our mushroom. This chili, garlic, lemongrass, kalanga, turmeric. Then we heat it. Sugar, SMG, salt, then a little oyster sauce. Mix it. Add ambarilla tree. Clean our mushroom first. Add our ingredient that we already heat on mushroom. Mix it. Wow, even though it's not yet cooked, but it looks like so yummy. Wow. We burnt our mushroom with banana tree. it maybe 20 minutes. So now after 20 minutes ago, so we can eat our mushroom. So now our mushroom is already cooked, so we can eat. Wow! It looks like so yummy, everyone. Ooh. Wow! It tastes so good. Maybe it's yummy. It's yummy or not? Wait for my tasting. Wow! Good. Really yummy and yummy. The best. This is countryside lifestyle, everyone. It's easy to cook like this. So now I think it is the time to say goodbye, everyone. But don't forget, help me to subscribe my channel YouTube to see more amazing food like this to show you guys, and especially the rural of countryside to show you more. So now let me say goodbye, everyone. Goodbye. Thank you for watching my video and for support me by subscribe my channel YouTube. Goodbye.